In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can add a text to your design when you're using Canva or when you're on Canva, and also how you can edit your text, add some effects, add some animations and the rest on your text. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's say I'm making the certification and the name here, I want to add a name here. Ctrl+A to select it, or let me delete it. So let's say I need to input a name here. Good. After that, I add some font, edits and effects and the rest on the name. So I need to come here, tap on the text here. Good. And I can add a text box, anything. So let me add something like this, add a heading. So the name was Bradley Beal. Good. The name you're using for this example is Bradley Beal. I just like him. So yeah, we use it like this. And now we can change the font to Oswald. This is certification, so it needs to look stylish. It's not nice. That's too much. So we have something like this. This is nicer. So Bradley Beal here. So now Ctrl+A to select it. We can make it bold. Good. For the certification to look much nicer. And now we can change the color because we need to make it, whether it's blue or whatever. Yes. So one thing about Canva, once there is a color here, you're going to get the previous colors. Good. I think the color is something like this. Yeah, so it fits now, Bradley Beal. And now let's try to add some animations to our text. So we select the text and we come here, effect. Good. So we can Z. Yeah. So you come to the effect, select your text you want to work on, and you come to your effects then, and you can do everything. So when you select these ones, you can add some stuff to it. And you see that's the shadow I'm working on, you can see. So you can clear all the shadows, something like that, and this is making it shine in a way I think it's nicer. But then the color, you can change the color scheme, so you can make it gold, so it's going to be like the blue, black and the gold. And if you want to add a background, something like that, so this is for thumbnails, so I don't think this is right to use it here. It's right to use this here. Let's not add something like that. Let's revert our action. Good. So if it was to be a thumbnail or something new, something like this, yeah, then you can add this here. So it stands out because this is a different color. That's why the person did that. Good. So that's it on how you can add a text and also animate your text to. You come here, but then if it's an image you can animate it, but if it's a video you can with Canva. So these are the animations them. See, yeah, lots of animations. Animate your text them. Yeah. So if it's a video and you're trying to add something like that on, and blur, wipe, it's going to come from the other side. Pop is going to pop up like this. Yeah. Pan is going to come from the other side. Yeah. So that's it on how you edit your text, add a text, edit it, add effects, animate it, and the rest, font size and type on Canva. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.